Hi everyone. Welcome to this most amazing Top 5 YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Top 5 most mysterious things scientists still can't explain. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 5. Our galaxy is constantly being pulled towards something. We don't quite know what is so great about it, but there is a specific point in the universe that is pulling our galaxy, and many others, towards it, deviating its original path. This place is known as the Great Attractor and is still much of a mystery to us, like most of space is. Scientists understand it is made up of a few large collections of galaxies called clusters or superclusters, but its true nature is unknown. What we do know is that it's pulling the Milky Way towards it at more than 2 million kilometers per hour. It is roughly estimated to be 150 million light-years away, and here's the best part. We'll never reach it. The dark energy that is causing the expansion of our universe to accelerate will rip the Norma cluster away from us before we are ever able to reach it. 4. Night rainbows. Thought rainbows only occur during the day? Well, think again. These arch-shaped moonbows form when light from a source like the moon bounces and refracts off water droplets in the sky. Moonbows are an extremely rare phenomenon, occurring only when the moon is very low in the sky is dark, and rain is falling opposite the moon. The sun is much brighter than the moon, so moonbows are nowhere near as brilliant as daytime rainbows. While they are often seen in white, on rare instances you can see a moonbow in all its multi-hued splendor. The finest sights to witness a moonbow are places with constant streams of water, such as Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada and New York, Yosemite National Park in California, and the Grand Canyon in Arizona. 3. Coming back from the dead. During surgery, a 66-year-old man went into cardiac arrest. After 17 minutes of resuscitation efforts, he was pronounced dead. But miraculously, a surgeon felt a pulse 10 minutes later. He was still alive. The man's operation went on as planned, with a positive conclusion. And that's not even the only case of this happening. Back in 2014, a 78-year-old Mississippi man was pronounced dead after a nurse found he had no pulse. He awoke the next day at a morgue in a corpse bag. These are incredible stories that sound like they belong in a horror film, yet there is a real-life term for them: Lazarus syndrome. We aren't quite sure why this happens, but it truly is a miracle. Even some doctors are unsure what death is and rely only on the lack of a heartbeat and respiration to determine death. 2. Ocean mystery. Interestingly enough, more people have been to the moon than have been to the Hadal Zone, making it the least explored place. This pitch-black remote environment lines the floor of the oceans and is made up of the ocean trenches that scar the seabed. Scientists previously thought life down here is impossible due to the extreme conditions, but deep-sea expeditions have revealed an abundance of resilient and bizarre life. Many unique and unusual creatures fill these extreme depths, such as this Hadal snailfish pictured above. But humans have never seen many of the species that live in this zone. They defy the odds by living in a hostile environment, under extreme pressure, near freezing waters with few nutrients and in pitch-black darkness. It makes you wonder what could be out in there in the universe, in conditions not suitable for life. Who says the conditions humans have constructed to be suitable for life are suitable for all types of other life? Life that we haven't even discovered yet? Life on other planets may not be suitable for Earth's humans and animals, but it could be suitable for some other type of species. 1. Immortality. Did you know there are certain aquatic creatures that are immortal? One such example is the jellyfish. Turritopsis dohrnii is a type of hydrozoan jellyfish that can live forever. They're about the same size as the nail on our little finger. These tiny, transparent creatures have an extraordinary survival skill. As soon as they come into contact with any type of harm, whether that be physical harm or starvation, they take a leap back in their development process, transforming back into a polyp, looking much like they did when they were first born. Transdifferentiation is the term for this life cycle reversal process. This could potentially aid scientists in their search for ways to repair or regenerate damaged tissues. Thanks for watching.